Alright. The rain is a mission. The rain was very heavy and heavy. In Kuba Taka, you know, there is some muka weddings. Never to did not come. You say, I'm not going down. No, that's a man only ever smart. Let me first take a soup. Okay. I want to tell you the difference between education and education. Education never education to be out. Education, education. One a child wake up in the morning, put on a uniform, or she or he. Put on a uniform, went to school. Mwana nasoma musomesa nabera ku blackboard nasomesa. At which you say things are different this time. We have a scientific education. That's the new one. Let me first take a soup. Okay. Now you get to the picture. Probably need to try a wash for okay. I'm training you. Even the education near one. Education, Burisha Raganda Kushiwa, Makura. Don't you know Makura? There is two types of radio in Uganda. We have Makura, we have Sembure.
Hey.
This is types of radio.
Abana mubuze je yakulira bo bakulira wa.
Where did you grow? Don't you see? You was hiding when I was.
Agati chairman. Abantu bakyalonguli baagala okumanya. Oyogedde ku radio. Twagala tumanye ensomesa egenda bere etya ku radio.
Let me first take a soup and I explain it.
Okay.
She can better best. Omusomesa agenda kujenga ku radio yo ojitege. Ukwata isita. Agambe 2x plus 2y is equal to 44z. Agambe, have you seen my explanation and solution? Do you see how I have done my work?
Radio.
On a radio. And you say, yes. Then Ajenga, he wants to teach you. Another teacher, English, after substitute teacher. What art education? You have to shade from this side to show the shadow. Okay? Akurage ku radio nti oshigira side zeno bot. Uraba?
Awo mulaba asiga.
No, siri bwesti. Katstratu inolondako. Either kugenda education oba kugenda ne byenjigiriza.
Akati
naye corona yabyono
omutuuze wo wakyalonguli omutuuze wo wakyalonguli ayagala amanye musigire ekifaananyi singa omusomesa wa art ali ku radio asomesa nze ndi eno nkutte ekitabo kyange ekya art.
Okay. Oyagala kulaba bwe bashikola. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, you the pupils, which class am I? You have to choose. This is the topic for senior 1 and senior 2. You are home. Get you at pencil. Are you okay? Have you get it? Guess your book. The wrong one? No, don't get that one with the misitare. No. You can think about it. You see that these children, there is a very stubborn children. They always want to get that book with the misitare. Then you have to stop them exactly. Don't get that book with the misitare. Get that yes,
white
that
one.
That one.
Echeru.
The white one. Whoever shit.
Yes, I'll go VV.
Bring.
A VV.
Let me first take a soup. Katichemba debwem. Omusomesa. Agenda kuyimireyo agambe kwata penso jukote. Kati bobo kuba omuntu osoka n'okuba wano weewatusa. Wano wolaba nsonzi.
Ku radio.
Yinjawulo egenda okubeerawo. Tuwali fraga. Tuwali wano muluke sobola kututika kututwala.
Namba. Scientific education hatutwala wakati.
Scientific education time. Can me first take a soup and I answer you? Okay. This is what I wanted to tell you. My name is called Chairman Henry. Njagala manyonyole bisinga kawo.
Chairman.
Tugende tribal government. Let me first go and get my textbook and I teach you again.
Ogezi.
Jagala kabuza.
Onatu kaikuwa kayatonye.
Mbagwe waneze.
Supa awete ngogezi.